Okay, we will continue use of troubleshooting chart. Okay, most manufacturers, aircraft manufacturers, include maintenance and training manuals, troubleshooting charts designed to help the technician identify the failed components, no? So troubleshooting charts, so like for example maintenance manual, training manuals, troubleshooting charts, those are the reliable information designed to help a technician to identify the failed components. Okay, and it is important also that the technician again note the distinction between the failed components identification and identifying the cause of discrepancy. Okay, in order to take the necessary step in troubleshooting process, at least the technician understand the aircraft system. So kung naamang gali discrepancy, kinahanglan on that system or on that component, mahibaw ta sa imuhang system nga imuhang trabahoon, no? So aside from that, we have some information nga atong pwedeng atong ka-referan, like for example kanang personal experience, no? Sa personal experience sa imuhang kauban or mangutana ta sa atong mga senior mechanic, kay sila may taas-taas og ilahang mga experience sa imuhang training, then information in the maintenance manuals, service bulletins, o uban pa, no, to identify the cause of discrepancy. Okay, then dili lang ta kay mo rely sa mga kanang graphic display. We have here an example sa, no, sa unsam na helicopter man siguro ni kay Sikorsky man. Okay, sa book we have here an example. Okay, diri sa kani, okay, this portion going here. Okay, we have the example, the system is experiencing low pressure. So makita nimo, no, for example kaning this is an example of a troubleshooting chart, Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. Okay, the system is experiencing low pressure, no, in the system. And then makita nimo sa chart nga imuha kunong buhaton, the next step you have is to check for leakage. So imuhang tan-awon ang iyahang line, ang mga linya kung naabay leak. For example, pwede imong tan-awon sa ilawom kung naabay fluid nga nag-leak. Kung wala, ang another nimong option, you have to check your reservoir. Kung nag-low fluid level na nimo, so imuhang dugangan, no? If you found out nga wala siya leak, kunya ang imuhang fluid is adequate, meaning na ay sud taghan ingon ana, so ang imuhang buhaton sunod is check for contaminated in the system, di ba? Naaman diri okay. So imuha nang na-check ang leak o fluid level. So muna check for contaminated system. So if imuhang i-check ang imuhang contaminated system, so for example sa imuhang system unsa may imuhang i-check ana for contamination, so mao na diri gibutang dinhi nga ug not okay, diba? Kay contaminated man, not okay, you have to clean the filters and flush the system. Okay, nakita na to. Nakita na to dire nga not okay, clean filters and flush system. Okay, imuhang limpyuhan ang imuhang filter unya i-flush nimo ang system kay basin naa siya'y mga contamination. So ani nga chart ang iyahang giingon ana ra siya taman, no? Pero wala siya mo hatag og kanang complete troubleshooting process, diba? So dapat you have to analyze the contamination to determine its nature and source. Then corrective action should include the elimination of the source of the contamination. Okay, nakuha. So kani nga chart imuha rang ipalo unya last ani imuhang limpyuhan ang filter, i-clean mo pagkahuman, wala na, okay na. Ba, mao man ni siya giingon kay kari diri ubos kay lahi naman ni siya imuha mang i-check ang system kung naa with external power source man, dili naman siya murag kanang related sa problem. Okay, so kani dinhi kaya nga tong problem is kuan raman experiencing low pressure raman, and then we found out that the fluid level is adequate, no leakage, but contamination is found in the system, diba? Okay, check for contaminated. We found out nga naay hugaw, so nga atong buhaton kuno i-check ang imuhang filter ug i-flush nimo ang system, so wala na siya sunod ani, diba? So karon wala pa siya nahuman or wa mo hatag og complete instruction ang imuhang troubleshooting chart, kay kinahanglan ko no nga imuhang the technician must analyze the contamination to determine its nature and source. The corrective action should include the elimination of the source of the contamination. So tan-awon nimo kung unsay source sa imuhang contamination. So but pasabot corrosion ba siya or tubig ba, ingon na kay karon moingon ta nga ug moingon lang ta nga tubig, siyempre pag limpyo sa imuhang filter, pag flush nimo sa imuhang system mawa gyud to siya. Pero for example lang kung taya, daghan taya na nga tagak dito, ingon ana, no? So pag limpyo ana nanapoy taya nga mahug sa imuhang tangke or ingon na ana sa imuhang reservoir, so mao nang usa na siya sa hinungdan nga kinahanglan ni imuhang tan-awon nimo ang nature or source sa contamination, unsa na siya, dili lang kay mupalo ka sa aning troubleshooting chart. Okay, then kaning troubleshooting chart will help identify common malfunctions. However, the technician may be confronted with the situations that are not reflected by troubleshooting charts. So, at least The technician have a knowledge with the system, components, operation, and relationship to other system. Okay, so this is an example of troubleshooting chart. Okay, the use of troubleshooting chart. Okay, use of troubleshooting chart.